I want to talk to you about something very special to my heart. Today we look into the power of visualization and how it can dramatically alter your life's trajectory. Visualization isn't just about daydreaming of desirable outcomes. It's a practiced method for aligning your deepest desires with your daily reality. Visualization is more than an exercise in imagination. It's a proven psychological tool that can help you achieve your goals and improve your overall well-being. This technique involves vividly picturing yourself in a desired situation or achieving a specific goal. The beauty of visualization lies in its simplicity and the profound impact it can have on your mindset and subsequent actions. Why does visualization work? The brain's region activated when you perform an action is also stimulated when you merely visualize performing that action. This mental practice can enhance motivation, increase confidence, and improve motor performance, among other benefits. It essentially primes your brain to act in ways that align with your visualized goals, making them feel more attainable. We're going to break down the basic steps to start visualizing effectively. First, find a quiet place where you can relax without interruptions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center your mind and body. Begin to form a mental image of what you truly desire. See it in as much detail as possible. What are you doing? Who are you with? What emotions are you feeling? This clarity will be crucial as you use visualization to foster your transformation. Before you can move forward with creating the new you, it's essential to have a solid understanding of where you currently stand. This self-assessment isn't about critiquing or judging yourself harshly. Instead, it's about acknowledging your real situation and the traits you wish to develop or change. Start by asking yourself some introspective questions. What aspects of my life am I happy with? What do I wish were different? Am I holding on to habits or attitudes that are holding me back? This process helps to identify the gaps between your current state and the vision you have for your life. Acknowledging these aspects of your current self might feel uncomfortable, but it's a necessary step towards genuine change. With this awareness, you can set more targeted goals that address your specific needs and aspirations. It also prevents the common pitfall of setting goals that don't resonate with your true self, which can lead to frustration and setbacks. The key is to approach this transformation with a mindset of openness and readiness to evolve. Visualization will be your tool to bridge the gap between the now and the next, guiding your actions and decisions towards the new you that you are eager to meet. Moving forward, let's discuss the integral role of positive affirmations in supporting your visualization efforts. Positive affirmations are concise, powerful statements that, when repeated often, reinforce the mental images you've been cultivating through visualization. These affirmations serve as verbal reinforcements of your goals and aspirations, helping to embed them deeply into your subconscious. To effectively use affirmations, you should choose phrases that resonate deeply with your visualized goals. If your goal is to become more confident, for example, your affirmation might be, "I am confident and capable in all that I do." It's crucial to phrase these affirmations in the present tense, as this signals to your brain that these qualities or achievements are already in effect, boosting your confidence and determination to make them true. When practicing affirmations, repeat them at least twice a day. Once in the morning as you start your day and once at night before you go to sleep. This repetition not only helps to keep your mind focused on your goals, but also positively influences your thoughts and behaviors throughout the day. The consistency of this practice plays a critical role in gradually shifting your self-perception and ultimately your life's trajectory. As you continue to use visualization and affirmations, you may encounter mental blocks, those inner voices of doubt or past experiences that seem to hinder your progress. It's natural to face such challenges, but overcoming them is crucial to your success. One effective way to clear these mental blocks is through mindfulness and meditation. By regularly practicing mindfulness, you can learn to observe your thoughts without judgment. This awareness allows you to recognize patterns of negative thinking that may be holding you back. Meditation provides a space to quietly confront these thoughts and over time replace them with the positive affirmations you've been developing. Another method is to journal your thoughts and feelings. This practice can be incredibly therapeutic as it allows you to express and process emotions that may be related to those blocks. Writing down your fears and anxieties helps to diminish their power over you, making room for new, positive beliefs. Remember, the goal here is not to eliminate all negative thoughts, but rather to manage them effectively. By acknowledging these mental blocks and addressing them head-on, you empower yourself to move forward with greater clarity and purpose. Building on the foundation we've set with affirmations and clearing mental blocks, let's focus on refining your visualization techniques. Effective visualization is more than seeing an image. It involves engaging all your senses to deepen the impact of the experience. Here's how you can enhance your visualization practices. Begin by refining the details of your visualizations. When you imagine your future self, try to incorporate elements involving all your senses. What sounds are in the environment? What scents might you encounter? How does it feel to be in this new version of yourself? The more detailed your visualization, the more real it becomes to your subconscious, making it a powerful driver of both belief and action. To make these sessions as impactful as possible, establish a routine. Dedicate a specific time each day for your visualization practices. This could be early in the morning or just before bed, which are times when your mind is naturally more receptive to subconscious suggestions. Consistency is key as it reinforces the new connections forming in your brain regarding your new self. To support your visualization efforts, incorporating daily practices that reinforce your new mindset can be highly effective. Here are a couple of straightforward practices you can start today. First, create visual reminders of your goals. This could be a vision board or a set of images on your phone or computer that reflect your aspirations. These visual cues serve as constant reminders of where you're headed, keeping your mind focused and aligned with your goals throughout the day. Second, engage in daily affirmations aligned with your visualization. Reinforce the mental images with spoken words, which helps to solidify the belief in the changes you're making. Repeat your affirmations during your visualization practice and throughout your day to keep your energy and intention focused. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you not only keep your goals in clear view, but also actively cultivate the mindset and emotions necessary to bring them to fruition. Now that you have a robust visualization practice, it's crucial to ensure that your daily actions are in alignment with these visualized goals. This is where your imagined outcomes begin to influence real-world decisions. Start by identifying the actions that directly support your goals. If your visualization involves improving your health, specific actions might include scheduling regular workouts, planning healthy meals, or setting a bedtime that allows for enough rest. Consider breaking down your larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks that can be accomplished daily or weekly. This approach makes even the most ambitious goals seem more attainable and keeps you motivated by celebrating small victories along the way. Keeping a checklist can be a helpful way to track these tasks, providing a visual representation of your progress. In any journey of transformation, setbacks are inevitable. They are not a sign of failure, but opportunities for learning and growth. When faced with a setback, first take a moment to assess what happened. What can be learned from this situation? How can this new understanding inform your future actions? After assessing, revisit your visualization and affirmations. This reaffirmation helps to realign your mindset with your goals and strengthens your resolve to continue. It's also helpful to maintain flexibility in your approach. If certain actions aren't producing the desired results, be willing to adjust your strategy. This adaptability can be crucial in overcoming obstacles and continuing your progress toward your envisioned self. Recognizing and celebrating your progress is a fundamental part of your journey toward the new you. It reinforces your motivation and commitment to your goals. Each time you complete a task that aligns with your visualized outcomes, take a moment to acknowledge your achievement. This could be as simple as ticking off a completed task on your checklist, or taking a few moments to reflect on how far you've come since you began this journey. Create a ritual around celebrating these milestones. Perhaps you could write a monthly reflection in your journal, noting all you've accomplished and how it has brought you closer to your ideal self. These celebrations act as positive reinforcement, fueling your drive to continue and reminding you that your efforts are paying off. While we wrap up this video, reflect on the journey you've started on. You've learned about the power of visualization, aligned your actions with your visual goals, and navigated through setbacks. You've also established a practice of celebrating your progress. All these steps are crucial in helping you to embody the new you. The new you is not a distant dream, it's a reality that you are creating each day through your thoughts and actions. Continue to use the techniques we've discussed to maintain and enhance this transformative process. Visualization and positive affirmations are tools that you can use not just today, but throughout your life to continuously evolve and achieve new goals. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, the power to change your life lies within you. Each day is a new opportunity to reinforce the new you, and I encourage you to accept it with enthusiasm and optimism.